Alright guys, this is a B8.5 S4 2015. We're going to do a Rock Euro intake install. We got the piping, the filter. We're going to take the factory airbox out and put the new Rock Euro cold air intake. Alright, this seems like a good angle to start. We're going to start off by taking off these two clamps. Spray head will do the trick. I believe these might be 7mm. You need a socket. Just loosen that out. Take this off right here. Take the breather hose right over here. Take the breather hose off. Take this off right here. Just gotta shimmy it off a little bit. Don't be scared. Alright, so once you get that out, the intake piping slides off pretty easily. That aside. Gonna take all this off one piece. Be careful. Underneath you get the breather filter. Change views for just a second. Once the intake box is fully out, on the underside, you're going to have these grommets. You're going to want to take them off and hold on to them. At this point, it should look like this. I'd say clean it out a little bit so nothing really gets in there. Just wipe it down with a rag. Next thing you want to do is mount up the heat shield and the two grommets right down here. Place it in. I put the rubber behind there. Then go ahead and put your coupler to the manifold. Put the intake piping. Tighten these two. Make sure there's no room over here and everything is biting. Make sure they're to the end, closer to the end. Make sure there's no room. There's space over here. None of the wires are touching. Alright, and you'll be in good shape. Next thing is the intake. We're getting ready to put the intake filter in here. You're gonna see, still brand new in the packaging. So once you put your breather filter in, just snaps right into the breather filter and to the compartment. Zip tie it right here to this this bracket that was holding the factory airbox in. You can zip tie your headlight harness for the B8.5 guys, like it was said before. And if it seems to be touching a little too close right over here, adjust it over here with these two clamps over here by the throttle body. You're going to want everything to be nice and sealed. And if you want this to not touch anywhere over here or any of this, just adjust it over there. Alright, so that's the Rock Euro